Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create specific rules for specific emails within your Outlook account. So you might want to create these specific rules to make sure that your email account is basically running on automation. So let's do this. We're in the browser, so we're on Outlook.live. This is the browser version, not the desktop app. What you want to do is go to the top right hand side, look for the gear icon, and over here you will see a bunch of options. So under the left side, you'll see Mail. So you want to click on Mail. And on the very next menu, you'll see Rules. Very straightforward, very simple. Here we can click on Add New Rule. And there are many options. So you will give your rule a name, first of all. Make sure that it's in line with what your rule actually entails. And here you're going to select a condition. So you can select a condition from who the email is coming from, who it's going to. You can also see that it may include your name in particular fields. It also may include particular subjects or particular bodies, may include certain phrases. There also might be keywords. So the sender's address includes a certain clause or certain word. You can see also that it's also marked with importance or sensitivity. You can have the message include a flag, a type, or has an attachment. And then also you can filter out the message size. So at the least and put an amount, at the most and put an amount in there. And then also have it received before or after a particular date. And then you can have this applied to all of your messages. So whatever you choose here will give you different options for the action section. So over here you can see, for example, adding a condition. So if it's from a particular address, the actions will be different. So if this email is received from this email address, you can see you can organize it, you can mark the message, and then you can reroute it. If you're choosing a different condition, let's say the subject includes, and you're going to enter a word over here. So if your subject includes this particular word, you can select your action now. How do you organize it? Where do you move it? And how do you reroute it? Once you've done this, you can go ahead and click on Save, and you can add multiple rules so that they work together. I hope this was helpful.